Welcome to Recipes Recommended. Today our recommendation, Applecrisp, comes to us from my friend Mandy. We met while at college, but then drifted apart. But as fate would have it, later on, we also both attended the same culinary school, but at different times. I only found out years later when we reconnected. She's worked as a professional chef, baking in some really incredible establishments, so I'm honored to bring to you a recipe she fine-tuned. We hope you enjoy it. Mandy admitted to me that she adapted this recipe from her grandma's blackberry crisp recipe. Because her son was asking for an apple crisp, and she had apples which needed to be used, the adaptation was inevitable. Mandy sent me pics, as food-obsessed people tend to do, and I responded that if it turned out well, we wanted to try it. So here we are. This recipe calls for local apples, and here in the Pacific Northwest, the best local apples are Cosmic Crisp. They're like Honey Crisp, but better. Once peeled and cored, I dice them to about a ½ inch. To the apples, I added brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla extract, cornstarch, and lemon juice, and then mixed with a rubber spatula until well combined. The nutmeg and cinnamon are a nice inclusion and accentuate the flavor of the apples while they roast, spread out in at least a 13x9 baking dish or sheet pan, just enough room so they roast evenly. Just like you would with potatoes or vegetables, we pull the apples out about halfway and stir them before roasting for 10 more minutes. This helps ensure even cooking. While they're roasting away, we smash up some vanilla wafers with a meat tenderizer and a zipper bag. You can also accomplish the same result with a food processor. Once out of the oven, I transfer the apples to a cooking-sprayed 8x8 oven-safe casserole dish. To that, I mixed in the maximum amount suggested of Calvados, an apple brandy I'm fond of using in recipes. The topping of the crisp is simple. To the smashed vanilla wafer crumbs, we added oats, all-purpose flour, brown sugar and cinnamon, some salt, and some melted butter before mixing it up with a rubber spatula. With the added toppings spread evenly on top, the crisp got put back in the oven for a final 30 more minutes. It was bubbly, caramelly, and perfect, just like I expected it would be. Once again, a big thanks to Mandy for sharing with us this wonderful recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like button, commenting, and subscribing. We'll also be publishing a corresponding blog post with more of my thoughts and experience making this recipe. You can find that and the recipe on our website, recipesrecommended.com. While there, I recommend checking out another recipe using Calvados, pork Normandy. Also check out our linked video. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget, great minds eat alike.